Something fabulous has just arrived in the post and I'm so excited I've got to share it with you. Ta-da! This is a vegan glitter boot, and yes there are two, there's the second one. So this is the Jacqui boot from Vegan Style. Vegan Style is a physical and online store based in Melbourne, Australia that sells a whole range of vegan shoes, boots and accessories. Let's turn it around. So you can see it's a nice little dress boot with a little chunky heel. I can't wear big heels anymore. I used to, but I can't anymore. But this is just the right height. I'll just move it in a little bit so you can see it's sparkly. It's kind of silver and rainbow sparkly. Now, anyone who knows me knows that I am constantly calling for more bling, more glitz, more glam in vegan fashion. And the guys at Vegan Style have nailed it. Good on you, Justin. So I'm a brand ambassador for their glitter range and I absolutely love this. It's obviously all completely vegan, also made in factory where there's no human exploitation. So I am super excited. I absolutely love this. I think it's a work of art, basically. And I look forward to being able to wear it out and about. At the moment in Sydney, we're in lockdown, but I will make another video when I've got it on, when I've got the boots on and I'm wearing a fabulous outfit. Meanwhile, head over to veganstyle.com.au where you can buy the Jacqui boot and you can buy a whole range of other fabulous vegan shoes and accessories. Woo, yay, vegan shoes!